All right, guys, thought it'd be helpful if I did a full breakdown here for you on this pole saw that I got off of Amazon. Show you everything that it comes with and the quality. So first off, it does come with the shoulder strap you can see I have on right here. That way it's really easy to use. You can just kind of have it hanging. You're not going to have the strain on your arms the entire time, but you can clip that off really easily if you wanted to. But just to show you the rest of it, so it does not come with a battery, know that. It's a 20-volt battery. I have a ton of these sitting around my house. They all fit in perfectly. So just as long as you have the battery, you're good to go. Rest of it here, so the handle, I obviously have the saw on right now. I'll show you how that comes off, but the handle is where you can turn it on and off. So that's the trigger. There's a little switch you have to push first. So you push that, squeeze, and it turns on. This is all really nice, solid plastic. So really good there. Has a little guard. The actual pole portion, so this is all like really soft foam. I don't know if you can see that, but has a really good grip. Also really nice. So especially if you're doing up something high, you can get a really good grip on it. So really cool there. You do have extensions, which I'll show you in a second. The saw portion right here, though, so this is the only portion that comes apart. It has a little switch on the back, kind of just to lock it into place. So you just unlock that, push this button up front, and the saw comes off, and it's now handheld. I'll show you that as well in a second. And then the saw itself right here, same thing. You can use, it's got a little switch, trigger. You have a tightener for the blade if you want to change the blade or tighten up the blade. It's got that blade guard. And then on the top, this is for the actual oil for the blade. So you unscrew that, fill it up, and then on the other side, it has a little fill gauge. So you can see max, min. That's just to keep the chain nice and oiled up. And you have a ton of adjustments here as far as how you want to angle the saw. So you can see I have it kind of on the straight one, but you can go all the way down 90 degrees, and there's a ton of in between. So it locks into place. You just push this button right here. Another lock into place, another one, then straight, and same way backwards. So you can go all the way straight up to all the way straight down. And then as far as the extensions here, so it has two different extensions. So you can see the length of it right now. I'm about 6 foot, so you can see it's just under my eyebrows right here, and that's on the smallest portion. If I pull out the first one here, you just unlock like that, and then you can stop it anywhere you want. You can just lock it into place. But just to show you how long this thing actually gets, so first one right here, that's the extension right there. So now we're about, again, I'm 6 foot, so it's probably about maybe 8 or 9 feet. That's only one extension. If I do the last one, again, you can stop this anywhere you want, but it goes out a whole another. Now you can see how big this thing is. So again, I'm 6 feet. It's probably in almost 10, 12 feet maybe tall. So really easy to get some branches. I'm going to show you one of my trees cutting it. Okay, so you can see I have this really tall tree that I've been meaning to trim, but I haven't had a long enough saw to get up there. So you can see I have it on the full extension. I can go almost all the way to the top with this thing if I really wanted to. I'm just going to start with this guy right here. You can see how easily I can do that. No pressure at all. Even this really, really high one. Super easy, or any of the short ones. Okay, now I have it in the handheld position. Again, you just pull it off the actual saw, pull the battery off the bottom, fits right back into place on this one, and it's just the same thing with that push little button to turn it on. Just to cut through something right here. You can see how quickly that thing cuts through. No problem at all. Extremely simple. So overall, super happy with this saw. Really good quality. You can't really beat it for the price. Hope this helps anyone looking for them.